Mad Brad's Customs here. Welcome back to the channel. This is a switch that I am rigging up to put on the Harley. That will be an on and off switch, and that will keep my LED lights from coming on when we hit the garage door opener in the vehicle. So just show you what I have done. Let's get where I can talk to you and sit down. I took this bolt out here. I first thought I was going to mount it somewhere above the air horn, but yeah, I didn't like that. I was like, yeah, I'd have to really do some detail work to try to hide it back there, and I didn't want it up close to the cylinders. So anyway, I made an aluminum bracket, and I cut it, and I'm going to put it right there. Can't decide whether I'm going to polish it, being all this is nice and shiny, or paint it white. So anyway, just a little quickie. All right, don't forget, like and subscribe. I'll show you at the end because it's going to have a lit up skull on it when it's on. All right, we are out. Thanks for subscribing.